Hi everyone, I'm James Treble and we're here on the beautiful central coast of New South Wales for Flooring Xtra to follow the journey of the Coastal Cottage project. Rachel and Andrew of Lover Dreamers have chosen this beautiful part of the world to build their dream home for themselves and their family. Now, as you know, building a new home comes with huge amounts of decisions to make along the way, and one of the most important ones, of course, is the flooring. Their beautiful home is now complete. We're going to share with you their journey. Let's check out where it all began. Hey Rachel, how are you?
Hey, good.
Hey Andrew, how you going? So you're building a house?
Yeah.
You've had the mental health check, you know what you're in for. Yeah? But I think you guys have actually done this a few times before, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Third time now. So you've learned a lot of lessons along the way. So we're here inside this beautiful showroom, but I'd like to know, why did you choose Flooring Xtra for the flooring solutions in your new home?
We love Flooring Xtra. We've dealt with Flooring Xtra in our last 3 builds. What really draws us to Flooring Xtra is the huge range that they have in store and just the really personal service that you get with Flooring Xtra. They've got so much product knowledge and are really helpful when you're making those, hard to make choices.
Well guys, congratulations. This is looking fantastic. Your little piece of Australia, the Aussie dream, you're building your house. How do you feel?
Yeah, pretty excited. Now the roof's going up today. It's
Yeah.
pretty awesome.
It's great, and it's a beautiful location. We're not far from the water up here on the Central Coast. Now, what I understand though is you've already made your decisions on your flooring and the house is only at this stage.
Yeah, that's right. Yep.